In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to create a username for your WhatsApp for Business account using an Android phone. I'm going to show you how to do this on an Android 16 device, but if you have an older version of Android, not a problem, this is going to work for you also. Watch my video completely till the end. So the first thing is get hold of your device and then open WhatsApp for Business. Once you are into your account, go ahead and click on the menu icon or the three dots to the top right. And then you get a drop down menu, click on settings, then click on your username. Then under business information, you have an option to reserve username. Click on that option. And then you get to this page to reserve a username. Now, WhatsApp hasn't yet rolled out this feature completely, but as you could see, they have already added this option to a personal WhatsApp account and a WhatsApp for Business account. So you could just go ahead and reserve a username for yourself. So once they actually allow this option to be fully utilized, you could go ahead and share your username instead of sharing your phone number to communicate with others or whatever it is. So here you need to click on reserve username. Then you select a username out here. If your username is available, you're going to see a tick mark to the right, and then you could go ahead and click on reserve. Then you click on done. And then you have an option for who could contact you by your username. So click on this option, contact me by username. You could select everyone, which means if you want everybody to contact you via username. The second option is people who know my key. So if you select this option, whoever you are connecting to or whoever you want to connect to using your username, it's not just your username they should be having this key also. So you're going to share your username and this key with them so that they could connect with you. If you have any further questions, I'm all ears. Do send me an email, or you could even post a comment in the comment section below. Take care, my friend.